There, welcome back to SAP with Veena. So in this video, let's understand the concept of Proforma invoice in SAP sales. It's a very small concept, nothing complicated about this. Proforma invoice is a format of an invoice which we are going to send to the customer, and you can call it like a dummy billing document. Sometimes when we are having payment terms like advance payment or payment against delivery, all that, we send this Proforma invoice, which enables the customer to make the payment ready. So after that, the material would be supplied, of course, with the outbound delivery document, and then the original billing document would be generated. And the other case would be like whenever we are exporting the material, this can form as a um, information to the authorities for the value of the goods that is crossing the borders. So now let's just create a sale order. Now I'm creating the sale order with order type OR, that's a standard one. And for this sales area, I'll pick material term as 1. I'm placing the order for 5 units. I'm placing it for 5. So I'll save this order. Now there are 2 billing types that you can use. Now, suppose if you are sending the Proforma invoice, you can send it either with reference to the standard order, or you can also send it after the outbound delivery document has been generated against the OBD. Now I go into BF01. So since I'm posting it against my order, I'm picking my sale order number. And here you need to pick F5 since we are posting the billing document, Proforma invoice with reference to the order. You can pick the billing type as F5. And if it is against the outbound delivery, you can go with F8. Okay, now I'm going to save this. Let's display the billing document. So when you click on accounting document, you can see that it says like the journal entry has not yet been created. Okay, now after this, whenever the material is ready to be dispatched, it will be dispatched and then the billing document will be sent. And that's how it works. So it's a very small concept. Only thing that you need to know is like the billing types that can be used for posting the Proforma invoice with reference to an order and with reference to a delivery document. So let's connect in the next video with another topic. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected. Thanks all. Bye bye.